In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Notion page. By the end, you'll have a clean copy of any page you choose, so you can experiment or reuse layouts without touching the original. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Notion.com. If you're not already signed in, look to the top right and click Login. This takes you to the Sign In options. For this walkthrough, choose the Google option. It's a quick way to authenticate if your Notion account is connected to your Google profile. When the Google window appears, select the account you use with Notion. Once you've confirmed access, you'll be returned to Notion and dropped into your workspace. Next, find the page you want to copy. The fastest way is to use the left sidebar. Scroll until you spot it, or use the search bar at the top if your workspace is large. Click the page to open it fully, so you're looking at the exact content you want to duplicate. With the page open, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the More menu. Click that to reveal the page options. This menu holds actions that affect the entire page, and it's where duplication lives. Look for duplicate in the list and click it. Notion immediately begins creating a copy of the page. It duplicates the content and structure you see, text blocks, headings, images, callouts, toggles, and even nested subpages, so you get a faithful replica to work with. This is especially handy for templates or recurring documents you want to reuse over and over. After a moment, you'll be taken straight to the new copy. You're now looking at the duplicate, separate from the original. From here, you can edit freely without worrying about changing anything on the source page. You'll also notice the duplicate appears in your sidebar within the same area as the original, so it's easy to find later. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you work. If you don't see the duplicate option, you may not have full access to that page. Check with the workspace admin or open a page you own. If your page includes databases, the views and properties come along with the duplicate, making it a reliable way to preserve structure. And if your goal is to standardize a layout for repeated use, duplicating a single well-crafted page is a simple, scalable approach. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a Notion page and landed on the copy, ready to customize.